Hello friends and followers. Well, what do we have here? This is the Paragon keyboard to the Paragon number 2. I've been fixing, and as you might recall from the last video, this thing had all bad key switches, so in come the Chinese communists from China. It's making a pile of key switches that you can buy on Amazon. So these guys have saved my behind, at least with this Paragon. So these were all $5 on Amazon. So, yep, putting these things in here. These are snap-ins. The original ones weren't snap-in. That technology wasn't robotic back then. I think humans had to install these little buggers, but looks like, at this board at least, I tried to make sure that they all went in one way by looking at the continuity in these things, and it looks like the two bent pins, the two pins that are bent. Well, here, I'll do it this way. So there's continuity always between these two crooked pins. So yeah, there's continuity always between these two. So continuity, a short, basically a short, and the switch part, the click switch, is between the top and bottom. So side to side, there's continuity, and that's how you get the matrix to go, the switching matrix, and then there's the switch contact between those two. So that's what we're doing here, and I found that you just stuff them all in. I was trying to make sure that they made these all the same, and so you can look at these holes here and see, and I think they all went the same, but I'm just making sure. And if there's no contact on one of these, like this one here, I can't see a contact there. Oh, I got something in there. Anyway, you can just pop these in. So it looks like these two are connected together, so that's fine. So yeah, so you would just pop these in, and the curly guys go sort of like that, along with the width of the board. Just pop it in. I haven't soldered these yet. Just pop it in. So I've been popping in a bunch of these, as you can see. One hand. There. That one's popped in. Anyway, that's the situation here. It's not rocket science, right? We're not talking Elon Musk here. But I just about got these all in. Then we'll do a solder up, and maybe I'll do some testing and reinstall on the radio. I hope these fit. So here's one of the old ones. They're a little slimmer, not as high, and I'm thinking that you can see that's not as tall. And these are 4.3 millimeters tall, supposedly. So, all right, so here's one of the new ones. And if these are too tall, I'm just going to shim the board with some plastic shims. Anyway, I'm trying to get you a picture of these things that are here for size. Jeez, what a pain. Okay. Yeah, you can see that the one on the right is a little taller, not by much. So these might be not as tall because they're just worn out and beaten down. I don't know, the old ones, but we don't care about that. The old ones go in the trash can. All right, that's my video. I'm going to finish up and put in the rest of these and solder it up, and then we'll check the continuity. Thanks for watching. Again, this is a Paragon 1. This would apply to a Paragon 2. Probably even a Omni 5 and 6, because I think Ten Tec made their own keyboards here. It sure looks like it, doesn't it? Their own keypads. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.